Hi, I'm Monique Littlejohn. I'm an accessory and jewelry artist, and I've been doing this for about 20 years. I am looking forward to teaching you on this program how to wire wrap found objects. And what I mean by found objects would be those items that maybe your children brought to you and they were too precious to throw away, so you stuck them in the junk drawer. Or maybe you found a little something, a pebble, that rather than skipping it along a lake, you decided to throw it in your junk drawer too. Now let's clean out that junk drawer. What you can do with this is you can either purchase the items from your local hardware store, or you can go to your local bead store or craft store. One caveat though is if you purchase the flat nose pliers in the hardware store, make sure you get the kind that are flat and not the ones that have grooves on the inside, because if they have grooves, they'll leave marks on the metal and you don't want that. So now let's go ahead and get started.